Hi, today I have come with a mathematics video and I will be discussing a topic which is very pertinent for standard 10 mathematics for any board. But in this video I will be showing you hands-on example on that particular topic, because discussing only about theory is not sufficient for mathematics. Hello viewers, this is Roktim and welcome to my channel Dare to Dream. Today I am going to discuss about the algebraic methods of solving pair of linear equations. That means two equations having two variables, and we will be seeing two methods of solving those equations. There are several methods available. In your book you will be finding several other graphical methods as well, but now in this video I will be covering only two methods: substitution method and elimination method, and I will be discussing these two methods in the hands-on portion of this video in the latter part. Now let me explain you what does linear equation mean. Linear equation means graphically you can plot this equation and it becomes a straight line. It cannot be a circle, cannot be a parabola, or it cannot be a curve. That means this equation, when it is represented in a graphical format, you can get a straight line out of that equation. That is what linear equation means. Now without wasting any further time, let us go to the hands-on example. Now let us go to my slide. I have taken two equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. I am highlighting with the yellow highlighter. And on the top of the slide it is mentioned that it is substitution method. Now before solving the problem, let us understand what substitution method is. By the way, the examples which I am using in this video, I have taken it from the CBSE board standard 10 mathematics book, which is published by their board. So you can refer to that book and you can get this unsolved problem from the chapter number 3, because I have not taken the solved problem or the example ones, because you can get it directly from the exercise book. So I have taken the two examples, one each for the two methods which are unsolved. Now look at these equations: x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4. Substitution method, what we are doing, we want to substitute one variable taking its value from another equation. Suppose in equation 2 I am trying to find y in terms of x and the constant term, that is 4. So I have changed the side of the variable. Now y has become x minus 4, which I have put here in equation number 1. After solving, this is nothing, these two steps is nothing but the solving. I have found x equal to 9, which I have put straight in second equation. So I have received the value of y equal to 5. Now there is another step which we have just solved these two equations and found x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. Are these numbers are correct, or is our solution is correct? So we have to validate. How we will validate? We are going to replace these two values in the original equation left hand side and see if it matches with the right hand side. So equation number 1, left hand side x plus y, we have just put 9 plus 5 equal to 14, which is matching with the right hand side of the equation, that is 14. Again in equation number 2 we have put 9 minus 5, which is 4, which is nothing but matching with the right hand side of the equation number 2. That is how we are sure that our solution of this problem is correct. We don't have to match with any of the answer key given anywhere in over the internet or anywhere, because we can cross check our own solution. Now let us go to the elimination method. elimination method is slightly big, but sometimes it is more effective, because when the equation or the coefficient of different variables, like here 4 is the coefficient of y, or here 2 is the coefficient of y for the second equation, are very big, we are getting confused in substitution method. So in those scenarios we use elimination method. Generally in the exam they don't mention the methods of solving the problem, so you can choose as per your comfort either of the methods. Now look at first equation, 3x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0, and the second equation is 9x equal to 2y plus 7. Elimination method is not substituting, is just eliminating one variable of both the equation. So how we are going to eliminate? We are trying to match the coefficient of both the equation. Now here 3x minus 4y equal to 4, we have just rearranged the equation, just taking this 4 in the right hand side, and in this equation we are seeing that 9x minus 2y equal to 7. So in order to make these 2 equal to 4, similar, we have multiplied both the side of equation number 2 by 2 in order to make this coefficient as 4. So it has become 18x minus 4y equal to 14. Now we have to subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. This is equation number 1, let me write, and this is equation number 2. So we are subtracting. So in order to do the subtraction, simple logic of algebra, we have to alternate the sign. So here we have put minus, here we have put plus, and here we have put minus. Now this eliminates each other, cancels each other. Now this has become 15x equal to 10, and after solving you will get x equal to 0.67. Putting this value of 0.67 here in equation number 1, you will get y equal to 0.49. Now here also we have to validate similar to substitution method, but that validation part I am not showing, because that will nothing but stretching this video or making this video slightly bigger, which is not required. So as of now I am ending this video and requesting you to all subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and press like button, and also press bell icon. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.